Okay, this is my method of joining small 4mm diameter poly belt for use in small lathes. First, clamp a standard V block to a straight edge piece of wood. That's a standard V block. The other one is free to slide up and down. I'm sure you get the idea. Luckily, with this 4mm poly belt, it actually pushes quite nicely down into the square. I've now pushed one side into the square slot on the V block, which holds it in place. I've done the other side now, and as you can see, they line out really well. Next thing to do is heat a small modeller's knife and place them in the middle. Finally, we heat up a small modelling knife on my little propane torch. Quickly press them together, withdraw the knife, push them together, and that's it.